5 Facts about Owl. Did you know owls are fascinating creatures of the night? Over 200 species of owls span the globe. A unique trait they possess is their ability to rotate their necks 270 degrees, a truly remarkable feature. Unlike most birds, owls make virtually no noise when they fly. They have special feathers that break turbulence into smaller currents, which reduces sound. Owls have an extraordinary vision. They can see in almost complete darkness, thanks to their large, tubular-shaped eyes which gather more light. Their diet mainly consists of small mammals, insects, and other birds. They are skilled hunters, striking with precision. Lastly, not all owls hoot. Sounds produced range from screeches to whistles to growls. Fascinating, isn't it?